Piaskowski. I'm the chief designer of the Hyundai California Design Center in Irvine, California.
Joel, you designed this baby.
I did. I didn't do it specifically, the team did.
Tell me what you like about this.
Well, first of all, the Hyundai Hellion really represents a forward look into the future of Hyundai and what we could possibly do. It's very, very expressive. And as we try and grow our brand and spread into more marketplaces, Hyundai is an opportunity for us that really is a vehicle that sits in this marketplace. It's a 3-door crossover SUV, 4-wheel drive, with a 3-liter common rail diesel engine, 236 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, and as I said before, it's made into a 4-wheel drive.
Tell me those. I love those.
Well, the exterior design was actually inspired by an Oakley backpack, and this backpack had a rib cage-like structure to it that was both visually and functionally structural. So we took that general concept and applied it to the Hellion as an automotive vernacular, and that's what you see behind me. You'll see the rib cage structure in front of the door, through the rear of the door, and through the rear window area. These ribs that kind of poke out of the body, and all this sheet metal skin stretches to it, creating a very, very interesting aesthetic. And what we've done, we've taken that to the interior as well, and we continue that harmony of form on the interior with these stretch negative forms that wrap around the whole interior, which actually creates a very, very spacious on the Hellion, are that the removal of the roof panel actually has a print on it, and that print is a camouflage print that's been inspired by the latest trends in the fashion industry. Although it's not a literal camouflage, it's an interesting print that has this camouflage-like appearance, and that's also replicated on the seat inserts. But the idea behind this is that the customer would have the ability to customize their own roof panel and seat inserts by providing the dealership with a JPEG or electronic file format of any image that they like or would like to see in their vehicle. And from the dealer sends it off to the supplier, and then they're able to print it off on the roof panel and seat inserts, and it comes right back to the customer in a matter of days. And that customer is just helped design. We talked about how we're trying to bring some of the exterior design elements into the interior, and we've done that in a number of ways through the rib cage-like forms on the exterior. We've done that on the interior with these negative stretch forms leading into hard creases that actually expand across the instrument panel and wrap very fluidly into the door panels. And that creates a very interesting feeling of spaciousness and perceived perception of space.
Plus you have a lot of glass.
There's a lot of glass, surprisingly. But the other neat thing, what surrounds the glass, is the exterior body color. So again, bringing some of the exterior in.
Oh, right.
And it creates a very, very unique... well, we were using a lot of technology in the concept of the Hellion here to kind of simplify the interior design, if you will. You know, with technology is meant to simplify your life, not make it more complicated. Oh, and yeah. We're using Bluetooth integrated systems here. It has satellite radio and a Wi-Fi, wireless internet connection. A trend in a lot of modern cities is that they're going into Wi-Fi throughout the city. So we see that as a trend that would be coming to... The overhead console has a video entertainment system in it, but it's also shaped like a surfboard, hence our California design inspiration. And it's illuminated around the edges, giving a really nice glow to the interior as you enter and exit.